We continue in Ghazels in the pocket Rumi. This poem is called And He Is With Us. Totally unexpected, my guest arrived. Who is it? I asked my heart. The face of the moon, said my soul. As he entered the house, we all ran into the street madly, looking for the moon. I'm in here, he was calling from inside, but we were calling him outside, unaware of his call. Our drunken nightingale is singing in the garden, and we are cooing like doves. Where? A crowd formed. Where's the thief? And the thief among us was saying, yeah, where's the thief? All our voices became mixed together, and not one voice stood out from others. And he is with you means he is searching with you. He is nearer to you than yourself. Why look outside? Become like melting snow. Wash yourself of yourself. With love, your inner voice will find a tongue, growing like a silent white lily in the heart. How about we read another one? That was And He Is With Us. This one's called Search the Darkness. Sit with your friends. Don't go back to sleep. Don't sink like the fish to the bottom of the sea. Surge like an ocean. Don't scatter yourself like a storm. Life's waters flow from darkness. Search the darkness. Don't run from it. Night travelers are full of light, and you are too. Don't leave this companionship. Be a wakeful candle in a golden dish. Don't slip into the dirt like quicksilver. The moon appears for night travelers. Be watchful when the moon is full. Okay, and one more because they're just so wonderful. That was Search the Darkness. This one's called You and I. A moment of happiness. You and I sitting on the veranda. Apparently two, but one in soul, you and I. We feel the flowing water of life here, you and I, with the garden's beauty, the birds singing. The stars will be watching us, and we will show them how it is to be the thinnest crescent moon. You and I, unselfed, will be together, indifferent to idle speculation, you and I. The parrots of heaven will be cracking sugar as we laugh together, you and I. And what is even a more amazing is that we're all here together, you and I, at this very moment in Iraq and Khorasan, in one form upon this earth, and in another form in a timeless, sweet land. Thank you for listening. That was You and I. That was the cherry on top of a trio of poems by Rumi. I'm glad my dear Rumi admirer was here to listen. May we celebrate our unity and connection. Our nature reflects our shared joy. May we embrace, that's a new word. May we embrace moments of happiness together. I think I joined embrace and rejoice together. Embrace and rejoice. Embrace. And let our laughter weave our souls entwine. The last one was so lovely, shares Donzuela. Such devotion to the divine. Indeed. And dear Magdalene Priya, you point out we can't spell Rumi without you and I. Thank you for that.